Blackstone griddles are special because you can cook anything on a griddle. There's just so much versatility of what's possible to cook. Bill spend and expense has literally saved my sanity. We saw an opportunity to upgrade our current process with Bill, and we haven't looked back. Going from 3 days of trying to get everything categorized and expensed correctly to a couple of hours, I can just filter and sort, upload it all with very minimal manual touching of each of those line items to make sure that it gets expensed correctly. Bill has really saved us a lot of money because we are able to easily issue new card members a card. We have the option to issue a virtual card. We've been able to just allow more individuals inside the company to have a card that they can put those expenses on instead of having that accountability with somebody else and having all of that petty cash and having to collect those receipts. It's just a whole nother level of accountability for people that may not have had that opportunity before. We can streamline our month close processes and be able to close the period much sooner because we're not waiting for receipts or anything like that. Really, I can just focus on doing my job and not on managing credit card receipts. I think the biggest value that Bill has brought to the company is 1, the accountability, but 2, the rewards. In the last year alone, we've been able to earn over $60,000 in rewards just by doing normal business as we usually would, so it's great.